Dear Ugandans, fellow citizens, friends, and those at the diasporas, I want to tell you that UPC government has never been corrupt as that of NRM. I want you to do enough research, and I want you also to believe that at one point President Museveni said, embezzle for those who have embezzled, steal for those who were stealing, and invest in Uganda. It is on record. And people started embezzling government funds. Then at a later time during elections of, I think, 2021, he made a statement again that if you have not embezzled enough, you better stop it. Now this is the repercussion. People are stealing government money left and right. There is total corruption. And nobody will fight that until we have a change in government. And I want to say, for those who are corrupt, children are growing thinking that that is the level. I want to urge all the archbishops in this country, all the bishops, all the clergymen, you pray and curse these men. Let them all perish so that we live to rebuild our country, Uganda. I say all this for God and my country. Acholi, amira waj boru ni kafuri tamu ni umirbedi NRM. Okay, NRM. NRM ene don government mati lodge mati ka keli wachan madot. An ke neno bomi me kuo ubieno pien President Museveni ki koma yamu wajini dano kwal kuo ento chen nego get kere Uganda. Ke nge dare election mo wajini don kapiyak ne kwal romo pede kwal kumbiri don kuo beri chelo kueyo me dinam. Now kuo in a giveaway. Lutiano watika don tamone kuo ene don kuo. Wagamira wajni peti government mo ruling Uganda mabela bon kuo malo UPC. Don piman alego ludirudini as bishops ludirudini rom duju gu ket lok chelo gina pier tek gu lega gat wek junu to wen wek Uganda yue kake kel chako don Uganda manyen awajo man pilobuna kilobana na foyo.